Smash! Do you guys see right here above Hunter's head? That is gonna be us in like 2 seconds. We're gonna be over screaming on Dr. Doom's fear fall. There they go. Do you hear it? They're about to fall. Do you hear all the screams? That's gonna be us. Let's do this. All right, we're off to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios to do a bunch of thrill rides. Because you know, Hunter and Mommy love the thrill rides. Kelly, thrill rides like that, they're hauling. They're going really fast. That's a super fast thrill ride. So you know, Hunter and Mommy love thrill rides, and the boys aren't here. They're home doing Boy Scout stuff. So we're gonna go on every single thrill ride here at Universal Orlando Resort. Let's go. Let's do it. Look at that face. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. Beautiful hair. That's a scary Hulk. Smash! Pra, 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 pra. Look at the abs behind you. There's just some serious Hulk abs.
Amazing. It's so fun, so cool. Like once you go under the water, it feels so nice because like it's just like this little splash of water. Not that much, but it's super cool. I like it. It's fast, it's awesome, the photos are cool, yeah.
Okay, next up is Dr. Doom Fearfall. So awesome view and awesome thrills. Let's do it! I think I like these way better. Yeah. You're like poking me in the eyeball. I think it's time we take on the Mummy, which is one of my favorite roller coasters. Let's go. Oh. Wow. Totally whackered me in the nose.
Wait, stay up here. Oh.
Here you go when they want.
Universal Orlando Resort is over. We're exhausted. All that screaming and yelling and and slow motion coming in.
Yes, the music made it sound super slow motion.
All right, click that red subscribe button so you can join us on our adventure because we're not done yet. We still have things to do here at Universal in Orlando. So click that red subscribe button and we'll see you guys then. Bye. Keep on dreaming.
Love you all.
Bye.